Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla and welcome to another episode of the best deals you can get during Diwali on the Unbiased blog. So what we're gonna do is talk about the best deals you can get during Diwali on all e-commerce sites like Flipkart, Amazon. Oh no, another power cut. Now this could have been a situation you have faced many times, and I have been in similar situations many times. And there are a lot of solutions out there in the market. You can get a genset, which is definitely banned by the governments because of the pollution it creates. Then comes inverters, which are not very reliable when you have to attach your electronics to it. And you have to be very safe and secure when you're attaching expensive electronics. And the fact that we're working from home most of the times, our laptops, our devices, our iPads, all these devices are connected, charging, and we really can't risk it with inverters, right? And when I was looking for those solutions to get the best power supply backup for myself, the recent Mumbai power cuts happened, and trust me, it dreaded me. And that's after researching a lot, I found the APC by Schneider Pro Power UPS, which has been a great companion for me since then. And I've been using it for over a month now, and I've realized that why it made perfect sense for me. I'll tell you a few features that really helped me get the best deal out of the power backup supply I needed. Now these features get 6 power ports, so that means that you can connect multiple devices. Now as you are working from home, there are a lot of laptops, appliances that you need to charge, you need to give them proper power supply, surge protection, so you can connect 6 devices at one time and use power backup. Out of 6 ports, 4 give you power backup also when the electricity goes off, but other than that, all these 6 points give you surge protection all the time. Now if you have power cut, then there are 4 points giving you power backup. That is enough, you can change those when you need them. Now this is a 600 watts UPS. That means you get power supply for most of the devices that you would be running on. TVs, laptops, computers, desktops, printers, everything can be given power backup to it. Now we got roughly 1.5 hours of power backup when we needed it the most. We were able to charge our laptops, our phones without any worries, and even our printers and laptops and desktops were working at the same time. Now not just power cuts, because power cuts are not that usual anymore, but then you should be always prepared for it. But what's most important is surge protection. Now all these 6 ports offer you surge protection, which really saves your devices. If there's lightning, if there's any fluctuation in the electricity, you are safe and secure and your lifestyle is uninterrupted. And that's what matters the most to me, because we live and work from home nowadays, most of us, and if you can't even run them, if there's a power cut or if there is no power backup, then you're gone. You're not able to work, you're not able to do anything, you get frustrated, your lifestyle changes completely, and there's so many things that are dependent on it. Even our internet, security cam at home, all these things need to be powered. And for these devices, appliances, I really suggest the Backup UPS Pro 1000, because it has been a true friend of mine since I've installed it and really helped me do more work productively. And these things really make it up the best device, to be honest, because I've in the market to find the best device. I researched a lot. I also have an inverter installed at my place, but then again, as I mentioned, you need a proper system for these appliances, these expensive appliances and these tech gadgets that you have, and that's why I think it's an inevitable investment that you all should make. So this UPS is not just giving you power backup or surge protection, it also gives you a display. How it comes handy when you connect a device, you know how much input or output it's giving you. You also know the time usage you'll get out of it. It also shows you the time into charging, and you can also connect your laptops or desktop with a power shoot cable and a proprietary software that APC by Schneider provides, which really helps you understand the requirement, if the battery needs replacement. All these features are available on the desktop laptop screen also. Otherwise, you also have a good display in front which gives you all the information with a click of a button. All this information like voltage and wattage and battery backup, everything is right there up front on the display. That makes it really handy. You don't have to worry about, okay, the power is going out, should I wait for the first beep to come out when I know the power has gone out? So a lot of UPS in the market don't give you that display. What happens is that you have to wait for that last beep when it dies. So you're really clear about what is happening here. You don't have to be worried. You very well can depend on this machine. And similarly, power protection is always there for you. Surge protection is always there for you. Now there are many times I have to be on live video. Not everybody has to be there, but there are a lot of live calls that we're doing throughout. We are talking to our bosses, we're talking to our senior leadership, and you don't want that inverter to go beeping and blurring out the audio out there, and you don't want to scare the audience by these beeps that a bomb's gonna explode. So right up front there is a mute button, which is very handy when you have to mute the UPS. You don't want beeps. You're sure about the power backup you get out of it, you can simply mute it, so you won't get any beeps for power is going down or anything. You will get notification on your laptop screen because the power shoot cable will be attached, but there will be no beeps, which makes it really handy feature, because when you are on calls, where you're going on live videos, you're doing your YouTube lives, you don't want any beeps interrupting you, right? Other than surge protection, this one also has AVR, which is automatic voltage regulation. Now what it does is, if your devices are put on charging and it's charging it, and there's a voltage fluctuation or there is something like your device is fully charged, it can automatically regulate the voltage so that it doesn't hamper your devices. One more thing I would like to point out before I end this video is like, if you're investing 10-12,000 rupees on a power backup, you need to be sure that it serves the purpose, right? So I think it ticks all the boxes. Other thing that is important is that it also gives you 2 years of warranty. So if there's any problem at all, you are covered under 2 years of warranty. So you have to be rest assured with that. It also helps you save almost 2,000 rupees on energy cost every year. Whenever the power goes out, you can still run your device. That means the meter is not running, but you're able to run your devices. So that's all for today. If you like the video, friends, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog.